Your wallet drains in seconds, and all you did was just try to claim a free airdrop. This is called an airdrop scam, and it is one of the most common Web3 traps that happen every day. And today, I'll explain you what that is in simple and clear terms. Airdrops are not inherently scams. The concept started as a legitimate way for projects to reward users. But scammers copy the idea and use fake airdrops to get you to interact with malicious websites that ask you to confirm the fastest way to lose your tokens. Legitimate airdrops are clearly announced and do not require rushed, hidden, or unnecessary approvals. An airdrop scam is when attackers pretend to give away free tokens or NFTs, but the moment you try to claim them, you unknowingly approve a malicious transaction that gives the scammer permission to move your approved assets, which may effectively drain most of the value from your wallet. So they don't even need to steal your keys because you approved permissions that allow them to steal those specific assets. Let's take a look at how a typical airdrop scam works. The victim sees some fake announcement or gets a DM about exclusive airdrop, some free tokens. They click the link. It leads to a website that looks exactly like a trusted project. The site asks them to connect their wallet to receive these free tokens. An approval pops up. It looks like every other approval you've ever signed. The scammer uses that approval to move all of the approved assets. In short, you are thinking you are claiming free tokens, but you are actually approving transactions that let the scammer drain your assets. There are several kinds of airdrop scams, and the main difference is about how the scammers grab your attention. The classic version would be a fake claim website. It looks real, but the claim button makes you approve a malicious contract. Another very common version starts directly in your wallet. You see tokens appear for free. These tokens are harmless on their own, but they are designed to lure you into a website where you approve malicious contract. Scammers are sending them out in bulk, hoping you'll click the link and try to claim them. In some cases, scam starts with a message, not a website. Scammers send messages pretending to be moderators, founders, or partners with exclusive early access. Some scams are hiding in plain sight by following whatever is currently trending. Scammers buy likes, comments, or reposts to make their airdrop look popular or even legitimate. They copy trending projects or viral campaigns and promote fake airdrops while the real project is gaining attention, hoping victims won't notice the difference. Here are the real signs of an airdrop scam you can use to stay vigilant. The airdrop wasn't announced on the project's official website. The domain looks almost identical but slightly off. The website asks for unlimited token approvals. You are pressured by scarcity. Last 1,000 spots, 24 hours left. You are asked to pay unlock fee to receive something free. Unknown tokens appear in your wallet. Not always a scam and usually harmless unless you interact with them. Social accounts promoting this airdrop are newly created or low activity. If you can't verify an airdrop under 30 seconds, assume it's fake. Why do airdrop schemes work? As with most scams, they trigger your emotions. First of all, the idea of free money is hard to resist. Scammers perfectly copy branding and language. Wallet approval screens look confusing, so many users click approve without reading to simply close the window. And finally, familiarity or speed. The process looks familiar and normal, so nothing feels suspicious until it's too late. The good news is it is not hard to protect yourself from this scam. Verify airdrops only on official channels. Check the project's actual website or verified social accounts. Never click airdrop links from DMs or random posts. The link itself isn't dangerous. The danger is within the wallet approvals that the site is trying to get from you. Treat unexpected tokens as suspicious. Always inspect approvals. An unlimited spend allowance means a contract can move all of that token, not just a single amount. Bookmark official pages to avoid look-alike domains. Use wallet protection tools like, for example, revokers or simulators. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about these. So, airdrop scams promise you some free tokens to trick you into connecting your wallet and approve permissions that let scammers to drain specific assets, which often represent most of the wallet's value. But verifying official sources and being cautious about your approvals will save you from almost all of these. If you want more short, simple explanations like that, and if you want to truly understand how scams work on the blockchain and beyond, subscribe. This channel is all about making scams, fraud, and Web3 security easy to understand. Thanks for watching and stay safe on chain.